warming up his paws in the fake fire.
Today, I'm Nicole DiDonato, live in East Town.
Why are you running? You're lying.
Hey buddy, what you doing?
Rollins with a stop to Lester!
Loco. Soy loco.
Hola.